Alright, today I'm going to demonstrate the Aero Acetylene Soldering Torch.
Which is attached to an acetylene tank. And it comes with the hose and the fittings here, but not the tank. You have to get your own tank. Get it in a gas place. How long does that take to warm up?
Should be about 4 or 5 minutes.
You need a cradle. This is a cradle, but it does not come with the torch. This is a cradle for an American Beauty electric soldering iron, so you either have to make your own cradle or find one somewhere, or set it on something non-flammable, like a piece of slate or a brick, or make a little cradle out of sheet metal. So you're trying to get a blue flame, a nice...
Yeah, sometimes you have to mess around with both valves. There's a pressure valve on the tank and on the back of the handle. Kind of have to find a happy medium between both of them. You want a nice blue flame burning.
That's what you're looking for right there. We just melted a little bit of solder on the ammoniac. And rubbing it into the tip. Clean the tip, and it's ready to solder. Tip is now tinned. Put some little soldering paste on the joint. All this stuff is available at solderwarehouse.com. That's basically it, huh?
Yep.
Shut it off, you're all done. This is demonstrated by Brent Uliski.